Okay, it asks you what is the graph for y equals 1/2 x plus 1. So when you're given this y equals mx plus b, that tells you the slope of the line. And that gives you some useful information. So this fraction you can think of as the rise over the run. So rise up or down and then run left to right, side to side. So which of these graphs goes up 1 over 2 and has a y-intercept of positive 1? Well, this graph has a y-intercept of 2. Remember, this is the y-axis. This is the x-axis. Y to the sky. So it's not going to be this one. This graph has a y-intercept of negative 2. It's not going to be this one. This graph has a y-intercept of 1. This graph also has a y-intercept of 1. So now that we've, kind of gotten ourselves down to 2 options, we're going to make sure we have the right one that has the rise of 1 over 2. So if I start at 0 and I go up 1, and I go over 2, well, let's start at the y-intercept, sorry. Start at 1, go up 1 over 1, 2. Do I hit my line? Yes, I do. So C is the graph that matches this y equals 1/2 x plus 1. What is the slope of this line 3? I'm going to post notes on this so you'll be able to look up the stuff. What's the graph for y equals 3x minus 1? Remember, if we don't have a denominator and a fraction, we can put it over 1. So we could think of this as 3 over 1. Either way, we are looking for a graph with a y-intercept of negative 1. So this y-intercept is 3, not that one. This y-intercept is 3. The y-intercept is where the line is touching the y-axis. This one is negative 1. Let me see if we have to go up 3 over 1 to get to the line. So starting at the y-intercept negative 1, if we go up 1, 2, 3 over 1, do we touch the line? Yes, we do. So we've got B for this one. What's the slope of this line? The slope is 7. What's the slope of this line? The slope is negative 5. What's the slope of this line? The slope of this line is negative 3. What's the slope of this line? The slope of this line is negative 2. Okay, that was too easy. I'm going to post some supplemental instruction that's going to explain this some more.